Hi, hello, Sesb and your contractor. Is that how you repair your power pole? It looks like this is the second time the traffic has crashed against into your pole because there's no safety signboard there, no reflective signboard there. Itu JKL punya hal, okay? But yesterday, 7th of April, after your contractor has fixed a new pole, you just leave behind all your mess. You cannot even clear up that one. So ridiculous. You cannot even remove your mess. And this old broken pole, you just leave on site. Who is supposed to be responsible to remove this? Tapi, kalau kamu ada utak nih, you could have moved these two here, this short broken concrete pole, which looks like a pipe now. You could have moved it there, and next time if you move this heavy step up there for a while, it will stop any traffic climbing that curb and maybe prevent it from knocking down your pole. Kamu ni suka betul mau bikin balik itu pole. Mula-mula gali lubang sini ada halangan, so paksa gali lagi sana. Dulu dia punya side tu na, ujung-ujung dia ada tempat mau plan pole, mau korek pakai auger mungkin ni. Aduh, mau pasang pole pun cincai. My God lah, this is the quality of Sabah Maju Jaya. And you leave all your mess on site. Who's supposed to clear all this mess? Your contractor got a lorry yesterday with a crane. He could have easily lift this one back and took it away for disposal somewhere. Yeah. Who do you expect to be cleaning up the mess of your handiwork? My God, man. Hello, President STUPIDITY MD. This is how your contractor works these days. Kin malu betul. Aduh. But as a suggestion for you, carry that two small pipe there until while waiting for JKL to put a safety signboard in that spot. I think it's a good idea to put that two pole there and place it in front of the pole just in case some stupid critter climb over that and there's a distance there. They may hit that concrete there and maybe protect your pole. Even that also cannot do. If I can carry that stuff, it's not heavy, I'll put it there. So I can put a safety of reflector there. Because this place is very dark at night, you cannot see this thing. And this is the only, by the way, this is the only U-turn lay-by which is stupid. You see, the road here is very straight. You see, it's very straight, and the U-turn lay-by is curved. So the reason why the fast lane vehicles go over here, go over and climb this slope is, they see the lorry is entering the lay-by zone, but the fast lane now curves. And at night, some motorists think this is a fast zone. This is the fast lane. Instead of getting into a U-turn lay-by, U-turn holding lane. So this is the reason why some people actually climb up the lane. Because normally, a holding lane is the one that is curving away from the straight road. But here, the fast lane is now curving There's a curve. See that? There's a curve. There. There. So this is the thing that at night people miss, and instead of this fast lane vehicle changing direction, they will accidentally go straight into the fast lane and climb up this and then knock the pole. Don't you see the stupidity of this road design? And this is why I call it a dead zone. And then to make matter worse, you don't have a reflective safety signboard here to show that this is a U-turn location. So what kind of a government do we have in this country? Even the road, even the highway is not built complete with the necessary signs and everything. So how many more times will some lorry knock down this pole, leaving this mess? Kin malu. Like that ba? Maybe you put two leftover concrete. Yeah? Concrete pole, bro. Put it another one there. So when the vehicle come crashing up, they hit that first. And maybe save this pole from being knocked down. And for God's sake, put some reflector around here. At the moment at night it cannot be seen. Okay, people?